Dude.
It's sick, eh?
Yo, you weren't playing how fast.
Told you, this thing is sick. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday. My apartment is hot as fuck, so I had to get out to cool down. So we're gonna smoke a joint and let's go for a bike ride.
Yeah. Holla if you hear me. Yeah. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me. See it clearly. Holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't fade me and make me. We can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up. Looking down the barrel of a nine, get up. Cause it's time to make the payback facts. And my brothers on the block better stay strapped. Black and accept no substitutes. I bring truth to the youth. Tell the roof of the whole school. Oh no, I won't turn the other cheek. Case you can't see this when we burn the other week. Now we got them in a smash blast. How long will it last? Till the pro get more cash. Until they blaze up. Till my young black males blaze up. Like Sylvester, stress, test, or giving what we make for that you're living. Bless. Much love to my brothers in the pen. See you when I free you, if not when they shove me in. Once again, this is all I'm stop. Keep your hands in your gap, and now your boys watch your back. Cause in the alleys out in Cali, I'ma tell ya. Mess with the best and the best will help ya. Scream if you feel me. See it clearly, you're too near me. Holla if you hear me. Will I quit? Will I quit? Will I quit? Will I quit? Holla if you hear me. Will I quit? Will I quit? They claim that I'm violent, but still I shit. Holla if you hear me. Will I quit? 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 They claim that I'm violent, but still I shit. Pump your fist like this. Holla if you hear me. If you're pissed to the sellouts, living it up. One way or another, you be giving it up. I guess cause I'm black born, I'm supposed to say peace, sing songs to get capped on. When it's time for a new plan, bam, I'll be singing like a one-man clan. Here we go, turn it up, don't stop. Tell my homies on the block getting dropped by cops. I'm still around for ya, keeping my sound underground for ya. And I'ma throw a change up, quit like you never put my name up. Now my homies in the back streets, the back streets.
Okay, guys, at a Metrotown parking lot. Came up here to smoke a joint, take a little break. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Keep riding.
They claim that I'm violent, but still I keep representing. Never give up on a good thing. Wouldn't stop it if we could, it's a good thing. And now I'm like a major threat, cause I remind you of the things you were made to forget. Bring it on to all my boys, know the real from the buses and the decoys. And if you acting like a real G, pump your fists if you feel me. Holla if you hear me. Learn to survive in the nine train. I make bomb pay, I can make bomb pay. Whatever it takes to live and stand, cause nobody else will give a damn. So we live like cage beats. Wait for the later like a break street. Still beat till they kill me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear 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 me. You're too near me. See it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me.
What's up?
You're too near me.
I was gonna ride by, see you here.
You look sick, man.
Thanks.
How you been, man? I missed
Good,
you.
good. You check it out. You want to ride it?
Yeah, can I try it?
All right. Just take it easy because it's 80. Watch out for cars and shit. It goes 80 kilometers per hour, I think.
Oh, we're gonna go fast.
Yeah, just cruise it.
It's so fast.
What the hell is wrong?
Can I try it or no?
Go ahead.
Wait, why
Throttle
so
here.
low?
Because I like it like that. Low rider.
Oh my god, it's heavy, man.
Yo, it's fast as shit. Just be careful, man.
Yeah, just be careful. Watch out for cars.
How do you start? How do you go?
This throttle. Right here. This right here. Throttle right here. But watch out for the cars.
Are you sure, man? Is it fast?
It's
Are
fast.
you sure?
It's fast, man. 80 kilometers per hour, man. Yeah, let's keep going. I got pulled over by the cops the other day. In front of my house. Check it out, my buddies are riding my bike, going for a little test ride. I told you it's fast. I told you it's fast.
How fast is this, man?
80K, man.
Dude.
It's sick, eh?
Yo, you weren't playing how fast
Told you, this thing is sick.
Holy fuck, I was fast. I felt like a motorcycle for me, man.
It is fast.
Fuck, man, I miss you, man.
Yeah, I'll come by visit. I'll come by visit.
Man.
I don't know time. I always ride by because I ride by and I see all
You
the
gotta
cars.
get a soft seat, man. My ass hurts.
This seat looks nice though.
Yeah,
Matches the bike.
Yeah.
So you can go eat?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat, man.
Okay.
I'm hungry, man.
Okay, see you guys later. I'll come by and visit again. See ya.
Be careful, man. Be careful of that shit.
I will. Okay guys, just did a quick rip around my hood. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
6 in the morning, smokers at my door. 6 in the morning, smokers at my door.